Hello everyone, welcome back to Nana's Meals. Today I'm just going to make this simple baby rice or oil rice or margarine rice. You may decide to use either margarine or vegetable oil. So I start with adding a little bit of margarine into my saucepan. I'll add some onions to it. I'll let it fry for 2 minutes. I'll add some salt and bay leaves. I'll then add water into it and I'll cover it to boil. And when it starts to boil, I just wash my rice and add it into the boiling water. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. To my old subscribers, I'm always happy seeing your comments in the comment section. So I'm just going to fry my eggs, which I'll be adding to my rice. With baby rice, children can even eat it without you adding any sauce to it. It tastes so nice. And I hope you also try some for yourself and your kids or your family members. But with mine, I'm just going to prepare a little chili stew so that I'll use it as a top up for my baby rice. So I just added these onions into my vegetable oil and I've grinded some pepper, that is green chili pepper. So I'm just going to fry it for 1 minute, then I'll add it to my rice. This tastes so nice and you love it when you try some for yourselves. Baby rice is also another popular dish from Ghana and it is loved by many. We also call it Angwa or oil rice. I hope you do try it and let me get your comments in the comment section. Bye.